Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to update your address inside the Temu app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is open up the Temu app on your phone. This works for both iOS and Android device users. And then once you're on the home page of Temu, you want to click onto You on the bottom of the page. And then from here near the bottom is addresses. Click onto that and then you can see your current address here, and if you want to add a new address, click on add a new address and then type in your credentials here. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, I filled out this new address section, and right down the bottom you can click on set as default address if you want all your items from Temu to be sent there. So I'm going to toggle that on and then click on save and then click on allow. And as you can see, there's two addresses here. This is my new address and that's my old address. So if you want to delete your old address, simply click on delete, then click on the orange delete button, and that address has been deleted. Alright, that's it guys for this video, how to update and change your shipping address inside the Temu app. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.